Fuck you, you American cunt.
Fuck you!
Shit!
I'm taking that file. Oh, where is it?
What the hell are you doing? You don't pull that shit from my detainee!
Improvising. We good?
She has the file! Lock it down! Fuck! Hunt her down. She's a threat to national security.
Honey, this isn't the right time.
It's me. Someone kidnapped David. They want the Canary Black file, but there was no file. This could be Kali.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I won't be home till late.
I am not a traitor.
Love you too.